Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a little bit of a chit chat, get ready with me. Just doing my makeup and talking and talking and talking. So if you guys want to see how I did this cute little quarantine glam, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I look like a hairdresser with my little clip, but I'm just gonna head into it. Oh my God, I'm like really sweating. I did a workout and I showered, but I'm still sweating. I'm like out of breath. Am I okay? No. Whew. I recently, like not a few days, I've been intermittent fasting and I actually really like it, but I am still in my fast this morning and I'm getting a bit of a headache. And I don't know if that's from my workout or what it's from, but I guess we'll have to see if it works for me, but I've been liking it as of now. All right, so I honestly forgot how to even like do a full face of makeup at this point. It's become a problem. I still wear makeup, I don't know. I don't put in the same effort that I once did. So I got a few new stuff. I got a BoxyCharm and then I got my stuff from the Sephora sale in the mail. Well, some of it. I made 2 orders, but my first one came in, so we have a few fun new products. The first thing I got in my BoxyCharm, which is this Benefit Professional Primer. I know everyone already has this, knows about it, yada, yada, yada. I used to have it, but I ran out a while ago, but I actually liked it since I tried it when this came. It like does a really good job of blurring, which we're all about here. And I only have a hydrating one too if you have dry skin. But I most definitely do not. All right, done. Beautiful. I was gonna do my eyes first, but I'm just too lazy for that. I have a hard time doing my eye makeup when like I'm not going anywhere. Oh my God, I did my nails last night. They are so busted. I tried to do like some little fun pattern. It was not it. Okay, next our foundation. Another new one is this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. People are all over TikTok, the web, raving about this stuff. I have 2 shades. One's light and one is dark. But when I'm pale, this one works. And this one's a little bit too tan forever, but like we fix them and we make it work. This one is $4.80 and this one's $4.35. I did it online, so I couldn't really tell. It is what it is. Yeah, I mean, that's not actually that bad. I have a very fresh tan on right now. I just washed it off after applying. It's not that dark, but I kind of like it. You can watch all about it in my self-tan video. That's gonna probably be up before this one. Or maybe right after this one, we'll see. But yeah, this foundation applies so beautifully. Super full coverage, but it's not like heavy, which I quite like. This looks yellow on camera, but I don't think it's that yellow in real life, and hopefully we can make it work with some concealer. I actually have an intermittent fasting question if any of you guys have any insight on this. So I always thought that when you, like anytime I researched it, that you could drink like black coffee or plain tea while on your fast hours and like that was fine. But apparently, like I've been reading up more because I was gonna have a cup of tea last night and they say it's not. Like I just keep seeing mixed things. Like some people say that breaks your fast. Some people say it doesn't. I want to know if you guys have any experience with it and what you think. Because I was just gonna have like a plain cup of green tea, but I can live without it, I guess. I prefer to have my coffee in the middle of the day anyway, and I just can't drink black coffee. So I save that for the middle of the day. That's when I really need to pick me up, like 2. For concealer right now, I'm using Shape Tape, the only concealer in my opinion that exists on Earth. Gorge. Alright, then I'm going to set my face with Laura Mercier. Again, the only powder on Earth. Ooh, that's not great. Whoops. We love a self-tan queen. So the past like week or so, not that this is a bad thing, it's just a little bit bizarre. I've developed like this really intense obsession with taking care of my teeth. Not that like I didn't, but I like didn't. I obviously brushed my teeth, but like that's basically all I did. And I've been like flossing like a crazy person. I've been mouthwashing like a crazy person. I found like this whole routine where you're supposed to do one mouthwash and then you floss and then you brush and then you do a different mouthwash. So I don't know. Like, not that that's a great thing for me to be caring about my teeth. Because I'm like one of those people that like hate the dentist and all stuff like that. But I don't know where this is coming from. It's so weird that I'm looking in the camera and I look really yellow, but then when I look in the mirror in real life, I feel like my face almost looks too pink. I don't know what colors it's picking up. Maybe it's my ring light. I don't know, but it's a little weird. All right, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and come back to you guys because I'm horrible at doing my eyebrows. Well, that's as good as that's gonna get. One of the things I was most excited for was this Fenty bronzer. It's already, oh my God, that's hit. Still hit, sorry. But I got the Fenty bronzer in Private Island, which I was very excited about because I don't often buy new bronzers, even though I should. So what the color looks like. It's the I think it's the third shade because I was gonna get the second one because I'm pretty fair, but I kept reading reviews that it was like super, super red. So I went with this one and I'm actually really happy with the color. Just gonna go for it. Like, I feel like it gives just a natural kind of glow to the skin, which is what I'm looking for. I don't like to do like a full deep contour very often, but just like a little bit of bronzy, warm up the face. So how is everyone doing in quarantine? How are we holding up? I've actually become very used to this and I'm kind of just like, this is life now. Not that I don't want to like go out and about and live my life, but I just like not having to go into the office and work from home. It's just way more enjoyable. But I do want to like be able to socialize and go on trips, and I want to go home and see my family, go to an airport and not be like, I shouldn't be here and have to be in a hazmat suit. So you know how it is. But on the day-to-day, I'm just kind of like, it is what it is at this point. We had a trip to Nashville for Memorial Day weekend that we had to cancel, which that's a bummer. So now that I'm over that, then kind of whatever. Okay, so for blush, I'm using the color Shimmering from Tarte. Just this like pinky peach blush with some gold shimmer in it. I'm all about a shimmer blush. Like Milani Luminoso is just the best blush on earth. Like, that sheen is so pretty. I love that. Cute. And then I need to spray my face with the Morphe 7 spray, which is where? Here. I got the pretty one with all the purple stuff. I like to use a lot because it's just so refreshing. I put this shimmer stuff on my chest and it smells like peonies and I love it. It's from Bath & Body Works. Cheap. And I think it does a good job. Because I have the Huda Beauty one that's like the rub-on, which is really good and like so powerful. But this is cute for like an everyday or just me casually filming. It looks really cute. Then we're highlighting again with Tarte in Frosty. It's just a pretty champagne gold highlight. I love doing my highlight in front of my ring light because it gives you that like beaming highlight that you don't really see without the light as much. But then when the sun hits you the right way, you're like, who is she? Do that TikTok thing. Oh my god, I'm gonna do that at the end when I do my hair and get dressed. Just give myself a great editing idea. Alright, so our face is done. My hands are not great. It's just like right here. I should start lotioning right there. The more you know. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Sipping Pretty palette by Kylie Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. It's gotten some use. I actually really like this palette. So, yeah. It's from her 21st birthday collection, I think. But I think it's still like a in-stock kind of... Like, I think she brought it back. I don't think it was like limited edition, but maybe it is. I don't know. It's very dirty. I don't like palettes with like this. I don't know what this is called, but like... You guys know what I'm talking about. This material on the outside, because it just clings. The makeup clings to it so much that it just looks so dirty. If you could have something you could just easily wipe off, I'm all for it. But I really like this palette because there's a giant mirror in the top, which you don't find very often. All right, I'm just gonna go in with some like neutral tones, do a nice little soft glow. I'm just going in with like an orange and a light, very light brown mix. Let's just quickly show you guys this and this one. I'm just taking it into my crease. So last night, we watched Mid-90s on Amazon Prime. If you guys haven't watched it, I definitely recommend it. I have a hard time watching movies. After a certain amount of time, I just get like uninterested and bored unless I'm like in the movie theater. But this movie really kept my attention. I didn't think I was gonna like love it. I've heard mixed reviews about it. I did want to see it when like I first heard about it and stuff, but it was actually really, really good. I would recommend to anyone. Well, within reason. On that note of favorite things, I'm also reading, what is it called? The Memory Keeper's Daughter. Really good. I recommend that as well. I know it's like an older book, but really good. Definitely worth the hype. Next, I'm gonna go in with this orangey brown in my outer corner. Kind of pack and blender. And lastly, I'm gonna take this like little nudie peach color on my finger and just put it on my lid. So I wanted to ask you guys if anyone is still even watching this. If you guys watch my channel at all, do you prefer the vlog style videos or the sit down videos? Like what would you rather watch? Because I'm trying to come up with like, not better because I like most of my content, but things that like you guys want to watch. So if you're still out there, if anyone's out there and you care, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to watch and what interests you, or any video ideas you'd like me to do, because I'm happy to do them. Give the people what they want. All right, I think that's all I'm gonna do on my eyeshadow, and then I'm just gonna pop a little bit of shimmer right in my inner corner. Kind of fresh. There's this one shade in this palette that I absolutely love. I've never had a shade like it. Mainly the only reason that I love this palette is this pink right here. It's like a kind of like a pressed glitter, but it goes on so smooth. Like most pressed glitters I absolutely hate and will not use, but this is just the best thing. So shout out to Kylie for that one. So I'm just gonna line my eyeliner, words, English, cool, and do my mascara off camera. I'm not gonna do lashes or anything because just hanging out and they really irritate my eyes, so it is what it is. And then we'll come back for our fun lip. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to go in with this. I already pulled it out for this reason and I still jumbled up all my stuff. Why am I like this? Okay, I'm using this new NYX lip pencil in nude pink. Just like a cute little pinky color, which you probably got from the name. So I used to really like NYX lip liners, but I don't know, I'm finding them really drying lately. A drugstore alternative that I really like is the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte lip liners. It's not, which usually something matte is like really drying, but it's so creamy, so smooth. I really like these ones. The Kylie Cosmetics ones are also really good. And obviously Charlotte Tilbury, everyone loves those. But those are my recommendations. Lastly, oh, that reminds me, I got this new Anastacio Lipgloss set. It looks like this. There are 2 sparkle ones and 2, I mean, matte to some degree. They're lip gloss, so not really that matte, but you get the idea. There's Nude, Bella, Peachy, and Sparkle Lava in here. I don't know what I want to use. Might go with Bella or maybe the Nude. I don't know. I might test them out. Let's try the Nude a little bit and see what we think of her. That is pretty. Cute. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of the Sparkle Lava in the middle. I don't know, I've been really into the sparkle lip glosses. But I really like this set if you guys are looking for something, because I just can never, ever, ever finish a lip product, ever. This doesn't say like a name or anything, but I told you the colors, and this is the newest set that I think they just put out. But I definitely recommend this because it's just so hard to finish like a lip product. They either expire or you lose them or whatever. So I really like the minis because it's better bang for your buck in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna go do my hair, get dressed, and give you guys the finished look. So I'm really not happy with how my hair looks, but it is what it is. But this is the finished look. I feel glam for the first time in forever. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, leave video ideas, what you want to see down below. You know the drill, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.